So this is based on my experience of seeing hundreds of patients, and also my experiences with talking to other experts in brain health, like Robert Melillo, and he in total agreement. Every person who has a psychological or mental health diagnosis has what is called retained primitive reflexes. And what this means is they had a neurodevelopmental problem in their brainstem, and the brainstem to the brain is like the foundation is to a house. So everything is built on a stacking system on the brainstem. And the significance of, if you think about the amount of people that are anxious or treated for anxiety, is that the brainstem is where the vagus nerve originates, and our vagus nerve controls what's called our parasympathetic nervous system. Another name for that is our rest and digest and healing part of our nervous system. It's the calming part. We're designed to be in parasympathetic mode 80-90% of the time. We need to understand that people who have psychological and mental health diagnoses are not suffering from drug deficiencies. We don't have SSI inhibitor deficiency. That's not the reason we're anxious and depressed. And that is insane, for as complicated as the brain is, just to think that we can take a single drug that only works on a single pathway and inhibiting or stimulating that and affect all these networks. It doesn't work, and it doesn't work very well. So one of the things we're going to talk about is that, and sometimes there are medications necessary. Yeah, if you have a person who's on a mania tear in a bipolar situation, you may need something to stabilize, but really ultimately what you need to do is get those networks more balanced and get the weaker side strength. And over time, those symptoms will go away.